Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some problems on integration. And let us take first problem. Integral 1 by 1 minus sin x into dx. Here we have the conjugate of a plus ip is a minus ib. The conjugate of a minus ib is a plus ib. These are all problems we have the conjugate. 1 minus sin x is 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x is 1 minus sin x. 1 plus cos x is 1 minus cos x. 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x. 1 plus sin x. 1 minus sin x. Sec x minus tan x. Sec x plus tan x. Here we multiply the conjugate of 1 minus sin x is 1 plus sin x, and simply says that multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin x. Multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin x, that equal to 1 by 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x plus 1 plus sin x into dx, that equal to 1 into 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x. Here a minus b into a plus b. We have a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Here a equal to 1 and b equal to sin x. It is a square minus b square sin square x into dx, that equal to 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin square x into dx. We have the formula 1 equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. Therefore cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Here 1 minus sin square x equal to, you can write 1 plus sin x by cos square x into dx. Here denominator contains only one term, that is a minus b by 2 equal to a by 2 minus b by 2, that equal to 1 by cos square x into dx plus sin x by cos square x into dx, that equal to 1 by cos square x into dx by sin x by, here we can write cos square x and a square equal to a into a. Cos square x equal to cos x into 1 by cos x. Here cos x into cos x equal to cos square x into dx. Again we have the formulas 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta, 1 by sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, that equal to 1 by cos square x equal to sec square x, and sin x by cos x tan x, and 1 by cos x sec x, and sin x by cos x tan x into dx. Here we have the formulas integral sec x square x into dx equal to tan x plus c, integral sec x tan x dx equal to sec x plus c, that equal to tan x plus sec x plus c. This is the answer of the first problem. And next problem, let's take third one. Integral 1 minus cos x into dx. Here multiply the numerator and denominator with here 1 minus cos x, we multiply with 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x, that equal to 1 by 1 minus cos x. Here 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx, that equal to 1 plus cos x. Here same 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x, that is a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Here a equal to 1 and b equal to cos x, that equal to a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus cos square x into dx. Here we have sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, that equal to sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Here 1 minus cos square x equal to sin square x, that equal to integral 1 plus cos x by sin square x into dx, and split the fraction, that is 1 by sin square x into dx plus cos x by sin square x into dx, that equal to 1 by sin square x into dx plus cos x by, we can write sin square x equal to sin x into sin x dx. Here cos theta by sin theta, cot theta, 1 by sin theta, cosec theta, 1 by sin theta, sin square theta, cosec square theta, that equal to 1 by sin square x equal to cosec square x into dx plus 1 by sin x equal to cosec x, and cos x by sin x equal to cot x dx. We have the formulas. Integral cosec square x into dx equal to minus cot x plus c. Integral cosec x into cot x dx equal to minus cosec x plus c, that equal to minus cot x minus cosec x plus c. This is the answer. And next one, you can take the last problem. Integral sec x by sec x minus tan x into dx. Here multiply the numerator and denominator. Here we have sec x minus tan x. We multiply the sec x plus tan x, that is multiply the numerator and denominator with sec x plus tan x, that equal to integral sec x by sec x minus tan x into sec x plus tan x by sec x plus tan x into dx. Here we have sec x into sec x plus tan x. In denominator we have a minus b into a minus b, a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Here a equal to cosec x and b equal to tan x, that is a square, the secant square x and tan square x. We have secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, that equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Here sec x into sec x, sec square x into sec x into tan x, sec x into tan x by sec square x into tan square x equal to 1 dx, that equal to sec square x plus sec x into tan x into dx. Here using the property of integration, apply the integral these two terms, that equal to integral sec square x into dx, integral sec x into tan x dx. We have the formulas. integral sec square x into dx equal to tan x plus c. Integral sec x into tan x into dx equal to sec x plus c. Apply these formulas, we get sec square x equal to tan x, integral sec x into tan x equal to sec x plus c. This is the answer. The remaining problems you try.